Hello, my name is John Farrow. I'm from Software Engineering of America. I am a senior IBM technical sales and support engineer. Today I'm going to demonstrate how you can set up a plan to react to the status of another plan, whether it be started or finishing. We'll start by going into our plans by taking option 10. And here I have a few plans set up, but today I'm going to set up two plans, one called end data queue and the other called start data queue, based on the month-end processing occurring. So for the month-end, we want to make sure that in our situation, we want to end the data queues first. So we start by putting an option 2 in front of the plan. We roll down the screen until we see triggers, put an option 2. And now we hit an F6, put a description in there. And now we're going to set up a rule. We hit F6 again. And since we want this one to start when the other plan starts, we can hit prompt on the first field. And I want it to be when it starts. And I can prompt again to find my plan group, which is month end. And I can do one more F4 to pick out the actual plan. And this is company 10's month end. And now this screen shows you that this plan will run when the month end starts. I hit enter. Here you can see that there's a brief explanation of what's going to be happening. Hit enter again, one more time, and one more time. Now we're back out. And now we need to start the data queues when the month end process has finished. So again, we just take an option 2. We roll down to triggers, take an option 2. Again, we hit F6. And enter any description. And then another F6. This time we do want it to be completed, so we'll leave the top one parameter alone. Again, we can prompt for our group. We know it's month end. And again, we can prompt for the plan name, and it's company 10. We hit enter. Again, we see that short definition on the screen. Hit enter a couple times to get out. And now we're set up. Now to demo how this would work, I'm actually going to run the month-end plan, even though it's not month-end. So to run a plan from this particular menu, we're just going to take option 9, hit enter. Hit enter again. And now it's started, so we're going to take an F8. So we can see I put a little delay in a month, and so you can see that the end data queue already completed. The month end is running in a few seconds here. So here we can see now that the month end plan completed, and you can see right below it that the start data queues has also completed. So now our month end is done. We were able to enter data queues. We were able to process the month end. And then after the month end was done, we were able to start the data queues back up. So this can be done with any sets of plans that you may have described in your scheduler. I want to thank you for joining me today. If you have questions, you can either visit our website at csoft.com or send an email to as400support@csoft.com and just let us know what your question is. Again, thank you for joining me and have a good day.